If you are a WordPress user, chances are high you have seen this warning on your WordPress dashboard. Let's see how we can fix this error. I am in my cPanel. Here I have to go to Multi-PHP Manager. I will select the domain where I would like to update PHP version. Then at the top right corner, I can select PHP version. As you can see, here I am using PHP version 8.0 in my website, which is deprecated. So I have to update PHP version. I will click to PHP version drop-down menu and I will find a latest PHP version. Here I am going to choose PHP version 8.4. Then apply. Our website PHP version is updated to latest version. Let's see. I am going to refresh here. Oh shit, our website is down. So it's not such easy what we have think. In this video, I will show you how you can update your WordPress PHP version safely without breaking your site, and what previous step you should take. As we are in critical situation, now we have to get rid of this issue. What I can do? Let's select the website and downgrade the PHP version 8.0. Apply. Let's see if the issue fixed. Yes, it's done. In some case, this issue won't fix this way. Then you have to go to select PHP version apps. In that case, you can reset your PHP version to the default. Just clicking over here. Then confirm. Then it will reset to your PHP version to the default version. Like this, you will get back to the backdated PHP version. So we are in the first stage again. We have to update PHP version, but we don't want to break our website. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to take full backup of our website, including database and files. If something happened to our website wrong, then we can restore our website from the backup. For the backup, I use a popular plugin called Avda Plus Backup. Just few minutes ago, I have taken a fresh backup. Now I will proceed to update my PHP version. See, here I am using 8.0, that is deprecated. So I have to update my PHP version. But in which version? As you can see, PHP 8.3 version are recommended. When you are watching this tutorial, this version also can be backdated or deprecated. So it will depends on you which version are recommended. Now let's go and update our PHP version to 8.3. I will select my website again, then select PHP version here, 8.3, then apply. Great. Let's check it here again. Just refresh here. Site is break again. That means there still have some issue in PHP version 8.3. So what we will do? I'll select this website again, then downgrade to 8.2, then apply. Now let's refresh. It's working and the warning disappear. So what we have learned? We have to take a full backup of our website before we proceed to update to the latest version. Then we won't update to newly released PHP version. We will update to one stage or two stages. Besides that, we will check that in our live server if there is anything wrong. This is how you should proceed. I have written a step-by-step article, link in the description box. I believe this video will help you. Let me know if you still have an issue. Hope to see you in the next WPBravo tutorial. Till then, take care.